is cold. Hey, it's Chanda Sparkles. The moon is in Scorpio, so I'm a little lit and I'm acting a little goofy. I came up with a solution to the cold. Do you want to hear? All we gotta really do is act silly. And I want you to have a look at this. Hello, guys. Hello. Hi there. Did you just decide to come and hang out? As David Darling would say, wow. I pulled up and all the birds just started swarming. They're still going above. Well, hello. Well, hello. Did you guys miss me? Did you miss me? You did? Hello. Oh, that's hilarious. Hi, guys. Oh, I miss you too. We are under a gale winter warning after all. So now I go and wrap pipes, walk in the light, and spread the sparkle.